Hey there. In this video, we'll learn about what is operator, what are the different types of operator, and how do we use them in Python. So let's get started. So the first type of operator that we'll be learning is called arithmetic operator. Now, we have specifically used arithmetic operators in our day-to-day life. First operator would be addition. If you want to know what operators are the mathematical symbol that we will be using to denote it. Now, every mathematical symbol has a different meaning. So, same case in Python. So, first is your addition. Your addition would be 3 plus 2 or x plus y. Now, you can store this in a variable. Now, how do you do that in Python? That would be take a variable called var is equal to 3 plus 2. The other operators that we have are subtraction operator. The same way as addition, we can subtract, which is 3 minus 2. Or we can also store x is equal to 17 minus 10. So x will store the value after it solves 17 minus 10, which is 7. So x will store this value. The next arithmetic operator would be multiplication. Multiplication is denoted by this star. Any two number with star between it will multiply it. Same for your variables. Your next arithmetic operator would be division. We use slash for division. So x slash y will give you an answer, which is the division of it. Same case, 6 divided by 3 will have the answer 2. So this can be stored in variables as well. The next arithmetic operator would be the modulo operator. If I do 6 modulo 3, this will give me an output of the remainder that this gives. So if I do 6 division 3, it would give me 0 because 6 divided by 3, the remainder is 0. Now what if I do 5 modulo 2? This would give me the remainder 1 because whenever we divide 5 by 2, we'll have the remainder 1. So these both are equal. Next, another important arithmetic operator we have is exponential. Now this is to set powers. Exponent, if I write 2 star star 2, this would give me an answer of 4. So this is also equal to 2 power 2. So make sure to utilize them, store them in variable, try certain examples. The slides which I'm using right now are there in the description. So make sure to check them and utilize them. The next operators would be assignment operator. Now, assignment is pretty easy. Assignment would be equals. Now, why equals? Because I am assigning something. For example, x is equal to 3. Now, 3 value is assigned to x. That is your assignment operator. Other assignment operators would be your plus equals. Now, what would plus equals do is if I give x is equal to 3, now x has the value of 3. If I do x plus equals 1, so your 1 will get added to x. So your output would be x is equal to 4 because 1 is getting added to x. You have subtraction assignment 2. So it's same like the addition, but here your value will get subtracted. So x is equal to 7. So x minus equals 2. So your output would be 5. It's easy. Next would be multiplication assignment. Same way like how we did for addition assignment as well as subtraction assignment, we can do the same. Let me denote var is equal to 4. So var star equals 2. Now output would be of var, if I print the var, it would be 8. Simple. The next assignment would be division assignment. It would follow the same rules of multiplication assignment. The only thing that it would change is it would be doing division instead of multiplication, and it will give you the quotient of the answer. We learned modulus minute ago. So modulus assignment will follow the modulus, and it will find the remainder and assign it back to the variable that we are using. Next, we have the comparison operators. What if you want to compare two values? For that, we'll be using comparison. For example, if I have a value of x is equal to 3, now x stores the value of 3, and we have the value of y is equal to 4. So when I do x is equal to y, the output would be false because they both aren't equal. Now, what if I store the value of y is equal to 3? Then if I check x is equal to 5, the output would be true. Now, the answer for this would be in Boolean. So, a good way to remember your data types. Your next comparison operator would be not equal to. Example for this would be x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 7. So, if I give the condition x not equal to y, the output will be true because it satisfies this condition. In the same case, this is Boolean. The output is in Boolean. Next, we have the greater than. It's pretty much our basic standard mathematics that we're using here. So x greater than y. If this is true, the output will be true. If false, the output will be false. Just like greater than, we have lesser than, we have greater than or equal to, we have lesser than or equal to. So all the output given by these would be in Boolean. Next, we have logical operators. So these resemble the logic gates. For example, if I write the truth table for this, true and true would be true. But true and false would be false. False and true would be false. False and false would be false. So this is your AND operator. After AND, we have the OR operator. The OR operator will be true or true would give you true. True or false would give you true. False or true would give you true. False or false would give you false. The other operator that we have is not operator. Not true would give you false, and not false would give you true. Simple as that. The next operator we have is identity operator. Harsh, my name. Now, is A in Harsh? The answer is true. We'll learn how to code this in further examples. Coming to is not. Now, is not is right opposite. If I check cat is not Z in cat, answer is true because it isn't there in cat. Before going to operator precedence, we have certain examples that you can solve. The explanation are quite well mentioned here too. This wouldn't take more of your time. So please make sure to try some of these, and they're present in the down description. You can download them, use them, improve your Python skills. Coming towards the operator precedence, the first operator which is given the highest precedence would be your exponential. If I try to explain this, it would be if I'm trying to solve this particular line of code. So if we follow the table of precedence, the exponent has the higher precedence. So this would get solved first, and the answer would be 9. Then your 9 would get added to 3. So that would be 12, and that would be your final output. There is another arithmetic operator that I think so I forgot to explain, that is called flow division. Now, what is a difference between a flow division and a division? An example that would be 36 divided by 5 would result in 7.2. But if I do 36 floor division 5, the answer would be 7. So what it does is it rounds the number into the whole. Now if I look it into precedence, your multiplication, division and floor division are given higher precedence than addition and subtraction. Now bitwise shift, bitwise and bitwise XOR as well as bitwise OR are used to perform operations upon binary. Then we have our comparisons. Comparisons are given precedence after the bitwise. Then we have our identity operator, membership operator, logical not, logical and logical or operator. So these are given the lowest precedence. So I hope this class has been beneficial for you. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. I hope I could create an understanding on what are operators in Python and how you can use them. So until next time, I'll see you soon. This is Harsh from AirEdify. Bye bye.